Are you concerned that the young India that voted for you in such big numbers in 14 and 19 is now beginning to feel disenchanted?
Rahul, young India is not cynical like madam. It's not having doomsday predictions. Young India is positive, young India is hopeful, young India is looking forward to a very bright, positive future. Therefore, the young India very clearly understands, and also young India, Rahul, I keep saying this, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a product of New India. For the first time, India has the largest number of young, educated, middle-class electorate, which is why 70 years of the kind of dirty politics that was practiced does not hold ground and has no currency in this new India, and will be rejected lock, stock and barrel repeatedly as long as they continue with those old policies.
There is going to be high poverty,
so, madam,
where crimes against women will rise.
Smell the coffee, stop being cynical, and get up, let's build a new India. Thank you.
Rahul, because you told me, you reminded me of my journalism days. I interviewed Mr. Jaitley, I think a little while before he passed away, and I was still a journalist in 2019. And Indian Telecom was going through this big ruckus. And he is on record, and I can produce that clip if I have to. He's on record to say the telecom regulator and the telecom minister are presiding over the death of Indian Telecom. He blamed his minister and the telecom regulator for that. So look at the kind of monopolies being created, and people like Mr. Jaitley were worried about this. You have gone on to create monopolies, and I hate to use rhetorical phrases, but I will. It is a hum do or hamare do ka economic management.
Okay, you respond to this.
Yes, I've done in the last 1.5 months.
Why has the Prime Minister, Tejasvi Supriya asks, not bothered so far in the last 100 days to call the farmers over or go across to where they're sitting? If he's one with the masses, then what stops him from speaking directly to the farmers? She accuses your government of being a hum do hamare do sarkar.
Well, see, it's very easy to come up with Twitter quotes like hum do hamare do, because Rahul Gandhi's entire strategy of opposition seems to be limited by 280 characters. It was earlier 180, now it's grown to 280, so it depends on the Twitter's strength.
This is also a narrative being built that nobody knows what is being opposed. I mean, there are 260 farmers who've died. No, you think they're dying without a cause? You think they don't know what they're dying for? I think it's shameful at one level and insensitive of the government to say nobody knows what they're opposing, whether it's the opposition or the farmers. 260 people during bitter cold have died, and you're still saying people don't know. How much are you going to disrespect India's farming communities? Forget about anything else. That's the question. Are you willing to today apologize for the death of 260 farmers? Put your hand on your heart and tell me just that.
Madam, common sense.
Please tell me about the death of 260 farmers.
Madam, you should have, if at all you were so concerned, you and your leader should have gone and spoken to the farmers there and convinced them.
You are in government. When will you get out of this mindset
and not
of being
rather
in the
misled
opposition?
them. Let's not go there. Let's come back to brass tacks. Let's come back to brass tacks.
Let's talk brass tacks. 260 deaths. Are you willing to apologize for it? Are you willing to express concern? Are you willing to pay your tribute?
Will you apologize for all the 670 years of socialism which kept generations and generations of India poor and killed them? Will you apologize? Start apologizing from there.
Don't you dare get into rhetoric again with me.
Start apologizing for keeping India poor.
260 farmers dead in your regime, 30 kilometers away from the city of Delhi. You have nothing to say? Is this the country you want to run? You put
she
people,
does not want to debate on farm laws. Is why she is going back to this rhetorical, emotional questions.
The problem is you don't want to fiction.
You don't want to debate on. You don't want to debate.
Why do you think India's economy went down from 8.32% to 4.1%? So please tell me. This educated audience understands exactly what you're running away from. You're running away from.
Let me tell you what you are running away from.
You are running away from. You are running away on a debate on facts. That's the problem.
I don't want to.
You want to run away from facts. You want to talk rhetoric. I'm not willing to do that.
Okay, I want to just.
Can I get 15 seconds?
Okay, 15 seconds.
Madam, what you have not answered is the laws are not going to stop the APMC. What is the problem? The farmer has a choice. He can one second, please. He can choose to sell to a private guy. He can also choose to sell in APMC. I had asked this question even in Parliament. Rahul Gandhi must have the freedom to contest from Wayanad if he feels he cannot win in Amethi. But should the Indian farmer not have the choice to contest from sell to Kerala or sell to...
I want to answer that
question.
I'm just going to answer that question in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 86% farmers in this country, I don't know if you have any association with farmers. I have. 86% farmers in this country have land holdings of less than 2 acres. So I don't know if Tamil Nadu farmer can go and sell in Tripura or if Manipur farmer
Oh,
can
madam,
go and sell
please
in Meghalaya.
don't
Let me finish.
simplify the whole
no,
thing.
No, 1 second. How is
Madam,
it simplifying?
please.
I'm giving you facts.
Wait, let's-
86%
you speak, I
farmers
will
have
take
less than
10
2
more
acres of
I
land.
also want to move to
That's
the
the
next
trouble.
topic. Okay, is
No, no, can
free? Okay, 10 seconds.
Not even that much.
No, but I should have a right to retort if you
I
don't
want to
get this
move
10
on
seconds.
also.
You should
See,
have actually told this is about farm
this
debates,
is-
Rahul, rather
this is
than,
what- this is
rather
what
than New
happens.
India, because she's very uncomfortable with discussing New India because Congress is still stuck in old
No,
India.
you are the
So
one
which is
who's
why she wants to
uncomfortable.
discuss only
I'm
on farm
asking
laws.
You, are you willing to apologize and pay tribute to 260 farmers who are dead?
Madam,
You are
start
not
with
willing to do
70
that.
years of your
You
crimes.
are not willing
Start
to
with
do that.
apologizing for all
India,
70
and
years
by the
of your
way,
mistakes.
You also
Then let
lied
us
right
start-
now when you
let us
said
consider.
largest number of people out of poverty. World Bank report says the largest number of people are being pushed under poverty because of your economic mismanagement.
Okay,
You should
so,
start reading economic
one
data.
of-
Will do you
one
some
of
good
the
in
things
politics.
I don't know which Google you refer to.
No, I don't refer to Google. I don't come
WhatsApp
from your.
University.
I don't come from the IT cells that fabricate WhatsApp and fake news. I come from an institution where we believe in researching, where we believe in data. It's time we
Rajiv
start
Gandhi
doing that.
Institute.
No, I come from an institute where I've been taught to research.